You feeling a little sluggish today? Just can't seem to get things going. Low energy, maybe a little mental fog. Well, today we're going to do some tapping, a Qigong method for invigorating the body, getting the energy going, flowing, getting out of that stagnation. So just start with some gentle tapping. We'll start with the head. We're going to work all the way down the body. This is a nice pair with yesterday's flow, which was about removing things. In fact, this might actually be nice to do before you do the flow. So if you want to keep that in mind, pairing these practices together is really good. So here we're just tapping on the head. Let's come down the face, the forehead, the temples, just coming down in layers right above the eye, below the eyes, into the cheeks, above the nose, below the nose, below the mouth, into the chin. Come back and do the back of the head a little bit more, around the ears. Yeah, already feeling some good stuff. Now we'll move into the chest. Just a gentle tapping on the chest. This is a really good one to do if you've got a lot of emotional stuff happening. This is a really good one to clear out some of that energy. So just tapping on the chest, up and down the sternum is great. I got to watch I don't get too close to my microphone, but you can tap anywhere. And then we'll come over to one side and we're going to tap down the yin meridians in the arm. So just on the inside, we go down, we're following the heart, the pericardium, and the lungs, and then flip over, coming back up, we're doing the large intestines, the small intestines, and the triple warmer. We'll do 3 rounds over here. Really nice activation. It's almost like if you do this every day, it's like doing acupuncture because you're hitting all those meridians, getting them going. Let's tap over to the other side and then down the arm, up the back, over the shoulder. Same meridians on both sides. So we've got the lungs coming down and the heart. And coming back up, we've got the small intestines and the large intestines. And I've lost my count, but I think that's 3. Coming back, let's just do a little over this lower dantian, over the belly. Take a deep breath. Just relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the face, getting everything relaxed. Then we're going to come over to the sides, the hips. We're going to go down the backs and sides of the legs like that, and then flip into the inside. Come up the inside, around the belt meridian, and then back down. So here we're bringing up the energy in the spleen, the liver, and the kidneys. And we're bringing down the energy in the bladder, the gallbladder, and the bladder, stomach. So getting a full flow through the body. It's really nice. Coming back to the belly. Can follow the colon around the belly, going on the outside. So you're coming up your right and going down your left. Just the natural flow of the intestines there. Back to the center. Now just take a moment. Notice how your body's feeling. A lot more circulation, really simple. But yeah, a lot more circulation through the body. Energizes the body, gets rid of the stagnant energy, which gives you fresh energy. So you should feel it a lot lighter now. Not so sluggish. And we're going to do an important flow tomorrow. Come on back. Thank you for practicing with me today. You're amazing. Keep doing it.